Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. That's why I just got on my jammies, got on this scarf, because we're going to get it together in the end and I'm going to show you guys a full look with the hair done. But for now we're going to show you how we just max and relax while we put this crochet in. I've done this before, it's Ocean Wave, but this one is in color, so I'm going to tell you if there's a texture difference, tell you how I like the hair, and give you guys any updates that you asked for in the comments below, so make sure to let me know. So if you guys are interested in seeing this tutorial on installing the Ocean Wave hair, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, let me know what you guys think, and if you're not subscribed, subscribe to your channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching, and let's get started. All right beauties, let's get started on this look. So I have the Ocean Wave hair here, but this is from Toyotress, and I have the color T27, and it's the 12-inch because I wanted to do the bob, a bob, okay? So I wanted to do something a little different. This is how the length is, so it's like a nice little length there. And this is what the color looks like. Let me take out the back so you can see. So that is the color, just like this. There's 8 packs of hair in here, so I know that's going to be enough. So I'm really excited to see how this look comes out. Look at that. I just did some color hair. I'm going to redo it again also probably in a few weeks, so you guys can see some long curly hair if you're interested. So make sure you guys stay tuned to my channel because I'll be having more styles coming. But for right now, let's go ahead and look at this. This is my hair right now. I did these braids probably a week ago, so you can see they look a little dusty, but we're about to put crochet in, so who cares, right? So my braid pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 rows. And I have this Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm going to put that in between the braids just to make sure that I hydrate in between before we put this in. So I'm going to show you how this looks. It just looks like kind of like a grease, and we just want to make sure that everything is hydrated prior to going in with the crochet hair. So I'm just literally just going to go through each braid just like that with this grease. So those parts going to be sparkling, honey. You just want to make sure your hair is hydrated prior to going in and putting in crochet because it can be drying. Make sure to get that back. And my braid pattern in the back is a mess, y'all. When I do the back, I just do a zigzag, and I don't really care about how it looks because it's going to be covered and nobody's going to see it. So I don't go all the way straight back about right here. I start the zigzag so that it just goes across. So I'm going to go across here, and then here is where we want the more definition for the parts. This is how the back looks. Once again, I know it's a mess, but when it's covered, you're not going to see nothing, okay? So now we're going to go ahead and start putting in our crochet, and let's do it. Alright, I'm just going to show you myself doing the crochet, and I won't show the whole thing because it will take forever, but I'll show you different sections, and then I'll show you the end result, and I'll let you know how I feel about the hair once it's installed, if I feel like I need to cut it or anything like that. So let's get started. I want to insert the crochet needle on the bottom of the braid, open the clasp, put the piece of hair in and pull it through, then open the loop and pull one piece of the hair, not both pieces, one piece of the hair through, and pull it through about 2 or 3 times, and then go ahead and just pull both pieces, and that will tighten it, and that's how you do the crochet. It's fairly simple. The pieces of hair are generally too big to me personally to put in as is, so as you can see, I'm splitting the hair. I usually split it at least 2 or 3 times, and once I take that smaller piece, once again I insert the needle under the braid, open the clasp, close it, pull it through, open the loop, pull one side of the hair through the loop, and I do that about 2 or 3 times, and then I will pull both sides of the hair together, and that will tighten the loop. And that is literally how you do crochet. It's fairly simple, and I am just self-taught, so definitely you can do this if you want to. So definitely just make sure you pay attention to the way it's being done. When you do it in the method that I'm doing, this is called the invisible method, and that's going to make it where it's a little more seamless when you are trying to have the part not look like it has a whole bunch of different stitching. This method pretty much makes it look a little seamless instead of it looking like it's individual braids. So that is what I recommend when you're doing crochet. I have several videos on it, so I didn't want to take too long on showing you how to do it. And so now you are looking at half of the hair done. I'm pulling it up. My hair on my edges is really thin, but it's starting to grow back, thank goodness. So I'm showing you now what it's looking like with half of the hair done. So don't mind my edges, y'all. We're gonna get it together. All right, beauties, so this is the look. It is done. The hair is completed. This is our little bobbiana. I might cut it a little bit more, just like maybe up to about here, but this is with the middle part, so you can see how full it is with the middle part. I'm gonna turn around to the back. I have to like spin around. Looks like, I think it looks good. I can't see it, but I think it looks good. But this is the look, you guys. I'm going to come back with a full beat so y'all can see a full beat look with it. But I like side parts, so personally I'm probably not going to do a middle part, but you see it's a little puffed up. I would just tie a scarf down just to kind of flatten it down a little, and that would take care of that if I did want to do the middle part. But I like a little volume because I'm going to be doing a side part, so this is more than likely how I'll be wearing it, and I'm here for it. Now that is cute. I like a side part, and when I do my side part I like to have the volume over on the side when it flips over, and then just kind of fix my little bang, and then I would fix my edges of course. But look at how good that looks. The part looks good and cute, and I am here for it, y'all. This is how I will wear it. This is, like I said, the Ocean Wave. This is in the T27, I believe, and it's from Toyotress. If you've seen my previous video, I did an Ocean Wave one as well, but it was on like the number 4, and this one, or I think it was either 1 or 4. But this one is a color. Usually when you do color, it's going to change the texture a little. This one is a little drier than the original one, but not really dry. It's not like brittle and like crispy, but it is a little drier. And it does shed a little bit more than the first one, and that normally happens with color as well. But outside of that, everything worked well. I was able to put the hair in pretty easily, and I'm here for it. I'm gonna live in it for a day, do my makeup tomorrow, and come back on camera so you guys can see with the full sleigh how it looks. But I think it's really cute. I love the color on me. I'm feeling it. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I will be back tomorrow. For you it's gonna be in like 1 second, but I'll be back tomorrow with a full sleigh so you guys can see the whole thing.